Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. In previous video, we have discussed about heretical inheritance. In this video, we are going to discuss about hybrid inheritance. We will see definition parts, syntax and block diagram explanation. While coming to definition, in this hybrid inheritance, there was only one parent class, two child class and one grandchild class. From parent class, the properties are inherited into two child class. After inheriting the properties of parent class into both child class, the properties of both the child class are going to inherit in grandchild class. If we see the syntax here, you can understand better. Here one parent class is there, child class 1 is there, child class 2 is there and a grandchild class is there. The parent class properties are going to inherit in child class 1 as well as child class 2. Both the properties of child class 1 and 2 are going to inherit in grandchild class. While we will see the definition, let us assume a parent class with the name of A and child class with the name of B and child class 2 with the name of C and grandchild class with the name of D. The properties of parent class are going to inherit in both child class 1 and child class 2. After inheriting the properties of child class 1 and child class 2 are going to inherit in grandchild class, so we can return as d of b comma a. For better explanation, for better understanding, we will see an sample program. Now we are going to create a sample program on hybrid inheritance. Let us create a class with the name of a, which belongs to parent class. In this program, we are going to create addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For each one class, we will give for each operator. So let us give two variables with the name of n1 another variable with the name of n2 here we created two variables, so we want to create a def function with the name of add. We will use self parameter for accessing data. It means n1 n2 values there. I will print a statement here. Addition, so self dot n1, which means accessing the variables self parameters used for n2. So up to 1 we created a parent class here with the name of a. So now I will create a child class with the name of b, which we are going to access the properties of parent class a. So we will create a def function for this time subtraction, so we will use sub as a name, self parameter for accessing the variable, and we will use a print statement here. We'll use sub as a name, self dot n1 minus operator for minus. Up to now we created one child class successfully by inheriting the properties of parent class. Here we will create another child class with the name of C, which we are going to inherit the properties of again parent class A. We will create def function with multi name, self parameter for accessing variable which we are given n1 n2. We will print a statement self dot n1 into self dot n2 for multiplication. So up to here we created successfully one parent class and two child classes. So we have to create one grandchild class with the name of D. Now we are going to access the properties of both child class 1 and 2. It means child class B and C, which are inherited the already properties of parent in both the two child classes, and that classes are going to inherit in this grand class B comma C. So we will give a def function. We will divide with the name of div. Self parameters used for access variables of n1 and n2. We'll print a statement. We are going to division here self dot n1 by self dot n2 here. Up to we created classes successfully. Now we want an object to get output. So I will take an object as a x variable. Here if we call only d, grand class is only enough for, because all the properties are inherited in grand class. It means class d. Parent class and both the child class are the properties which are inherited in grand class with the name class d. So we will call only d class here. So x dot for addition, x dot for subtraction, x dot multiplication here, and x dot div. Make sure that the variables have to match which were given in that. So let us check the output. We'll give 2 as n1 value and we'll give 3 as n2 value. See, addition is 5, subtraction is -1, multiplication is 0 and division is 0.66. This is the program on hybrid inheritance. By this we completed our inheritance topic successfully. Thank you for your support. So I hope keep practicing, keep consistent. We will make further videos on further topics. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.